Hi guys, what's up? It's Finicles, and today I'm going to be doing a gaming video of Subway Surf, an iPad game. You cannot get this on any like Xbox consoles or stuff like that. But yeah, let's have a go. I'm really bad at this game, by the way, guys, as you can see. Hey guys, I'm just, playing along with some stuff, and yeah. I'm not doing too good. Well, yeah, I'm doing as good as you can. I'm missing a few goals though. I'm tripping! Probably not for you guys, but for me. No! Don't trip. Don't trip. I'm not too good at this game. I think I'm alright. In my opinion, I'm alright. So guys, this is one of my favourite iPad games. I find it really fun. Even though it's quite old, it's still really fun. And a lot of people don't play it now, but I do. That's not So anyway, yeah. As you can see guys, I'm just going to do this. So guys, I'm only going to have to do one round because I've got to go somewhere in a minute, but I thought I'd just do this quickly, just to entertain you guys. So guys, put down in the comment your favourite iPad game, and I can maybe play it for you. I can just order it at the App Store and hopefully show you guys a bit of it. So as you can see, I've just unlocked the grades, which is really cool, because yeah, I don't know what that does. I probably used to when I love this game. But I'm not too keen on it now. Well, I do like it, but it's not like my favourite game. So I'm getting chased by the train station guy, and also his dog, which is really annoying. But yeah. And that's doing quite good for me, because I don't normally get this far. I'm probably about to die in a second. No! So guys, sorry I died. See you in the next vid. Hope you enjoyed this one. Bye! Oh, let's quickly open this guy. So I got this guitar. Cool. So anyway guys, see you in the next vid. Bye! Hope you enjoyed this one.